Do you want to enjoy a personalized spatial audio experience directly on your iPhone? Spatial audio enhances sound immersion using built-in speakers and head tracking technology. This guide will walk you through setting up personalized spatial audio on your iPhone without needing AirPods. Before you start, make sure you update your iPhone. Steps to set up personalized spatial audio on iPhone. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Sound and Haptics. Scroll down, tap Personalized Spatial Audio. Tap Personalized Spatial Audio. Now set up this on your iPhone. You must capture your ear from right to left. Tap Spatial Audio to access the feature. By setting up spatial audio directly on your iPhone, you can enjoy a richer, more immersive sound experience without additional accessories. If this guide was helpful, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to ask any further questions.